Dear students, today we are going to discuss exercise 1 to 6 questions. Question number 1. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. In that problem, a book exhibition was conducted in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on 4 days are respectively given that we want the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. Total means we are adding that 4 numbers together. So the answer is the number of tickets sold on the first day equal 1094. Number of tickets sold on the second day equal 1812. Number of tickets sold on third day equal 2050. Number of tickets sold on final day equal 2751. Here we want the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. Total means we are adding these 4 numbers together. That is 1094 plus 1812 plus 2050 plus 2751. Then 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Next is 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 0, 2 balance. Then 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Then 1 balance. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Therefore, we got the answer 7707. So, total number of tickets sold on all 4 days equal 7707. Second question is, Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wished to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Shekhar is a famous cricket player. Then he scored runs so far as 6,980. He wished to be scored 10,000. Then in that problem, how many more runs does he need? That means 10,000 minus 6,980. That is runs wished to be scored minus runs scored so far. Runs scored so far equal 6,980. Runs wished to be scored equal 10,000. Therefore, runs needed more equal 10,000 minus 6,980. So, 0 minus 0 equal 0. 0 minus 8 is not possible. So, we borrowing 1 here. Here also 0. Here also 0. So, this number borrowing 1 and cut 0. So, this number is 10. Then here we want this number. Then borrowing 1 here and cut 9. Then 10 minus 8 equal 2. 9 minus 9 equal 0. Then 9 minus 6 equal 3. Therefore, we got the answer is 3020. That is, he needed the runs more equal 3020. Question number 3. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? In this question, the successful candidate got the votes 5,77,500 and its nearest rival secured votes equal 3,48,700. Then we want margin by which the successful candidate won the election. That is, the votes registered by the successful candidate minus votes secured by the nearest rival. That is 5,77,500 minus 3,48,700. Votes registered by the successful candidate equal 5,77,500. Votes secured by his nearest rival equal 3,48,700. Therefore, margin by the successful candidate won the election equal 5,77,500 minus 3,48,700. Then 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Next is 5 minus 7 is not possible. So, we borrowing 1 here at 6 and this is 15. Then 15 minus 7 equal 8. Next is 6 minus 8 is not possible. Again borrowing 1 here and this number is 16. Then 16 minus 8 equal 8. Then 6 minus 4 equal 2. And last is 5 minus 3 equal 2. Then we got the answer 2,28,800. Fourth question. Kirti Bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? The sale for the 2 weeks together means we are adding these two numbers, that is 2,85,891 plus 4,768. Then there are two sub questions, that is how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together. The sale of the books in first week is 2 lakh something and the sale of the book in second week is 4 lakh something. Which is the greatest value? 4,768. Therefore, the sale was greater in second week. Then next question is, in which week was the sale greater and by how much? That means the sale was greater in second week, then by 4,768 minus 2,85,891. Okay, then we got the answer. Sale of books in first week is 2,85,891. The sale of books in second week is 4,768. Here we want the sale of 2 weeks together. Together means adding these numbers. Then 8 plus 1 equal 9. 9 plus 6 equal 15. 5. Then 1 balance. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 7 16. 6. 1 balance. Then 5 plus 1 6. Then 8 plus 0 8. Last is 4 plus 2 equal 6. Then we got 6,86,659. Then there are two sub questions. First question, which day was the greater sale? That is, the sale was greater in second week. The next question is, the sale was greater in second week and by how much? That means the sale of books in second week is greater, that is 4 lakh. In these two numbers, which is the greater value? 4,768. That is 4,768 minus 2,85,891. 8 minus 1 equals 7. 6 minus 9 is not possible. So borrowing 1 here and cut here 6. And here add the number 16. Then 16 minus 9 equal 7. Then 6 minus 8 is not possible. So borrowing 1 here. Here is also 0. So borrowing 1 here. Then cut 3. Here 10. And here also 10, then 9. Then 6 minus 8, then write 9 here and this number is 16. Then 16 minus 8 equal 8. 9 minus 5 equal 4. 9 minus 8 equal 1 and last is 3 minus 2 equal 1. Then we got the answer 1,14,877. Fifth question, find the difference between the greatest and least numbers that can be written using the digit 6, 2, 7, 4, 3 each only once. Here given the digit 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. We want the greatest number using this digit. Greatest number is 7, 6, 4, 3, 2. Then least number is 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Therefore, its difference equal, difference means minus, difference equal, we are minusing these numbers together. Then 2 minus 7 is not possible. So borrowing 1 here. Then 2. Here 12. 12 minus 7 equal 5. 2 minus 6 again not possible. So cut here 3 and here write the number 12. 12 minus 6 equals 6. Then 3 minus 4 is not possible. Then 5. Here write the number 13. Then 13 minus 4 equal 9. Next is 5 minus 3 equal 2 and 7 minus 2 equal 5. Then therefore their difference equal 52,965. Question number 6. A machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? Here we given the number of screws manufactured by the machine a day equal 2,825. Then number of days in the month of January. Then how many days in the month of January? 31 days. Therefore the number of days in the month of January equal 31. Therefore the number of screws produced by the machine in the month of January equal 2,825 multiplied 31. Number of screws manufactured by a machine a day equal 2,825. Then number of days in January equal 31. Therefore number of screws produced by a machine in the month of January equal 2,825 multiplied 31. Then 5 ones are 5, 2 ones are 2, 8 ones are 8, 2 ones are 2. Then again 3 5s are 15, 5, 1 balance, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 equal 7. Then 3 8s are 24, then write 4, 2 balance. Then 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2 equal 8. Then adding these two numbers, then 5, 5 plus 2 equals 7, 7 plus 8 equal 15, 1 balance, 2 plus 4 equals 6, 6 plus 1 equals 7, then 8. Then we got the answer 87,575. Let us wind up our class. All of you learned these problems before our next class.